Fortunately, deleting apps on iPhone that are hidden is straightforward with a few simple steps. By doing so, you'll reclaim valuable storage space and enhance your iPhone's efficiency. Let's delve into the process of efficiently deleting hidden apps on your iPhone. Part 1. Why are some apps hidden on iPhone? Accidental removal, app library, screen time restrictions, hidden home screen pages, folders. Part 2. How to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. Hide app. Long press app on home screen. Choose Remove app. Select Remove from home screen to hide in app library. Unhide app. Swipe left for app library. Locate app to unhide. Press, then tap Add to home screen or move as needed. Part 3. How to delete apps on iPhone that are hidden. 1. Delete hidden apps on iPhone using app library. Access app library. Swipe left on home screen. In app library. Tap search. Type app name. Press and hold app icon. Choose Delete app. Confirm by tapping Delete. 2. Remove hidden apps on iPhone from settings. In Settings, go to General. Choose iPhone Storage to see installed apps. Scroll. Find the app. Tap its name. Select Delete app from the menu. Confirm. 3. Delete hidden apps on iPhone using Spotlight search. Swipe down for Spotlight search. Type app name. Press and hold app icon in results. Choose Delete app from menu. Confirm removal. 4. Delete apps that are hidden from home screen via App Store. Open App Store. Tap profile icon top right. Scroll. Find app under Updated recently or Available updates. Swipe left on app name. Tap Delete to remove. 5. Permanently delete hidden apps on iPhone using iTunes. In iTunes, go to Library Apps. Choose the device, for example, iPhone. Right-click app. Select Delete app. Ensures hidden apps are permanently removed, freeing up space. 6. Uninstall apps on iPhone that are hidden in one click. If hidden apps remain on your iPhone despite efforts to remove them, you can take additional steps to ensure they are completely uninstalled. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a specialized tool designed for this purpose. Here's how to delete hidden apps on iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Step 2. Access all iPhone apps, including hidden ones. Step 3. Remove hidden apps from iPhone.